What's the meaning of artist? Artist. Artist.
Artist. Artist. An artist is a person who creates works of art, which may include visual art, music, writing, or performing arts. Artists often express their own personal vision or interpretation of the world around them through their art. They use their creativity and skill to produce anything from paintings and sculptures to novels and plays. The work of artists can evoke emotions and inspire appreciation for beauty and creativity. Overall, artists play an important role in society by enriching our cultural experience and challenging our perspectives.